Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a party ledger in Tally Prime. First, navigate to the gateway of Tally. From there, select Create and then Ledger to begin the process. You will need to input the party's name and choose the appropriate group, such as Sundry Debtors or Sundry Creditors. This initial setup is crucial for organizing your financial records effectively within Tally Prime. After entering the party's name, carefully select the correct ledger group. For instance, customers typically fall under Sundry Debtors, while suppliers are Sundry Creditors. Ensure all contact information, including their address and contact person, is accurately recorded. You can also add their PAN or GSTIN details here, which is vital for tax compliance and proper financial tracking. Once your party ledger is set up, you can start recording transactions. When you make a sale, create a sales invoice and link it to the customer's ledger. Similarly, for purchases, use a purchase voucher. Payments received or made should also be posted to the respective party ledgers. This ensures that each party's outstanding balance is always up to date, providing a clear financial picture. Regularly review your party ledgers to monitor outstanding balances. Tally Prime offers various reports, such as the Ledger Outstanding Report, which shows who owes you money or whom you need to pay. You can also generate detailed statements for any party, providing a complete history of transactions. This helps in effective cash flow management and maintaining strong business relationships. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.